Hello and welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I'm Deirdre and this is October, so it's a video mostly every day. I've been out most of the day and I've just come home. It's about 4 o'clock and I am A, hungry because brunch was a long time ago, and B, I have to tidy my house and get it clean for the weekend. It's not actually that untidy, it's just that it needs a bit of a good clean. So I've just put a load of washing on. I've already got one out on the washing line drying because I threw that on earlier and I've just put it out. And then so that will have to go through. I need to just give all the basics a really quick going over so that everything's back to nice and clean. So for the next, I don't know, what do you think I should do? 20 minutes? Half an hour? Maybe I should say half an hour. I will quickly clean and fluff up and tidy my apartment, and yeah, and then I'll be back to zero. Let's just do a quick walk around so I can show you what I need to do, and start with the most obvious, which is, yes, it is, I have not made my bed. It is technically airing, is what I would say. This is what it looks like when your bed is airing beautifully. Yeah, okay, so I have to make my bed, and that is so unusual. I normally make it almost as I get out of it, but not this morning. Bathroom, gee, no lights. That's a bit grim, isn't it? Yeah, just needs a clean. Same with the loo. Such an elegant place. Just needs a good clean, and painting, by the way, which is the other thing I was going to do today. We'll see. Not going to. Laundry. So that's just going happily in here. I've got more stuff to wash, but it will have to wait. Hey, a good tip I had. You can learn anything. Old dog, new tricks. I've left the denim out, even though this is a dark load that's going through, because somebody pointed out that when you wash heavyweight items with lighter weight items, the heavyweight ones, it's like they take up more than their share of the detergent, etc., and so they also bash the other clothes around because they are so much heavier. So I've got a denim jacket and a pair of jeans here waiting to be washed, and I'll just do them on their own, and that way that's even. So you do same weight things together. I also divide dark with light, dark from light, but that's just me. I know a lot of people don't. I do. And I've got some other things up here that just need to be washed independently. You know, like that's a good little jacket, and there are some jumpers that I have to wash before I put them away for winter. But apart from that, it's actually not that bad. And here I have a rug that I need to put into storage, and the same with the heater. I've just got some stuff on my desk that I need to just tidy up, but nothing major. I've got this that I need to put down into my car. Remember, I had my car away, so this is what normally lives in my car. Things like hats and a blanket to put down if you want to have a picnic or whatever, and hand wipes and things. That's all in there. Multi-tool, torch, and there's something that I've got to give to my son, and then my umbrellas, because remember the thieves broke into my car, didn't want my pink umbrella, thankfully. But the only thing they didn't want, they stole my hand sanitizer and my little first aid kit. That annoyed me. I've got to replace that. And I've got some clothes that are going to donation in here. Oh, yes, I've got my plant food sitting here from the other day, and a very dirty floor, and some things in the sink. And what else have I got to do? Oh, I was going to make myself a shake. Out here, I've just been working, so my usual pile of things here, but this room's okay. Balcony needs sweeping, but little things are living happily out there. It's just so nice. And then, yes, just straighten up in here and just wipe down all the surfaces, dust, all the standard things that you do when you just do a quick buzz around your house. Okay, I have my smoothie, my creamy greeny smoothie, which I haven't had today, so this is a good thing. But that's going to fuel me to do this.
Some of the hardness standing still. Our love fusion will never cease to thrill. Wilderness, we give you our mess. We're so blessed to have you. Anchor our hearts and give us a fresh start. Wilderness, we've come for you.
Right, so bathroom's done, loo's done, bedroom's done. I just vacuumed the floor of what I could get to in my study, and I've taken everything down to the car. So what's next? There's laundry to put out. I'll just put that through another spin. And look, can you see the light? I mean, it's amazing. It's these late, well, it's not late, I've been doing a few other things, talking to a few people, but it's 5:30 now, and the apartment is flooded with that wonderful, at this time of the year, westerly afternoon sun. It's gorgeous, and it's all right, because come summer I pull down the blinds and block it out, and that's a good thing, because otherwise I'd fry. But no, so that's done. Yeah, I'll show you the bedroom anyway afterwards. And now I'm just vacuuming, because I took all that stuff down to the car and sorted that out. It really annoyed me that those people stole my first aid kit, because it was one of those nifty little ones from IKEA. I don't know, it's just petty, isn't it? Stealing hand sanitizer and a first aid kit. You've got to hope that they needed it, don't you? But anyway, of course they didn't. They're thieves. That's what they do. They steal things, get it through your head. But anyway, so now I'm just going to quickly vacuum in here, in this little entranceway, and the kitchen while I'm thinking about it. And then I've just got a few things to tidy up in the kitchen and quickly vacuum. Actually, I might just vacuum through in here in the living space as well, quickly, before the battery dies on my vacuum cleaner, which is the only thing I don't love about this Bosch, is that it doesn't have another battery that I can click on. That's the only thing. And the same with the Dysons, though I think they might now, I'm not certain. But you need to have another battery just ready to go, the way that we do for, you know, tools. And Ryobi, please make a really good stick vacuum. I will buy it, because I've got all the batteries, and that's fine. I'll just have a stack of them, and I don't have to keep stopping.
Figure it out, don't we? Yeah. And we're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the...
I have cleaned the kitchen, washed out the sink, done all of those things. I've got my little llama cup here, which I keep sipping from and emptying. There's no doubt about it, having a straw makes all the difference, and having the top covered so no bugs can get in. But you can see, clean and tidy, floor is vacuumed. I do have to wash it, I'll do that a bit later. Dusted, all my stuff is still here on the table. That's not really surprising since I've been working on it, and I'll go back to work in a minute. This is all dusted, fluffed up, ready to go, floor's vacuumed. And here I have this thing because I of course have the door open all the time to the balcony, as you can imagine. This is not a Halloween costume. It's like a magnetic closing screen, fly screen. It clicks back together when you see, like that click, so it goes up over that. Won't be too bad. You can see straight through, which is good. It keeps out the worst of the bugs, hopefully, so I've got to figure out that and put it up. Okay, what else? Vacuum cleaner charging, as it did get completely emptied. Everything over here all tidy and clear again, which is good. Put my keep cup, washed it and put it back in my bag, ready to go, because there's not much point having a keep cup if you leave it at home. This is all dusted and clean. The bathroom and loo are all dusted and clean. Turn off the lights, stop wasting power. That's all clean. I think it's time to have the mats up off the floor completely almost at this time of the year. I really liked them in winter because it was so cold, but don't need them anymore. Okay, this room is tidy. It's still got that rug there. I physically can't lift it. I'm going to have to wait to get some help for that. And this room is all clean, tidy, bed made, well aired, and ready to go. Oh, look, look, look. Just seen something. Look, baby leaves. This is a good thing. This one looks a bit odd, the one on the right, because it's coming out from where I trimmed one off. But I was very careful not to go right down so that any new leaf wouldn't be damaged. Nice place to leave it in the afternoon. Birdies are cheeping, making all those nice happy sounds. And the afternoon is gorgeous. It's nearly 6 o'clock in the evening. Oh, I love it. Daylight saving, once you get over the shock, is always so good. I kid you not, this is the freakiest thing ever. After I finished filming, I went in to check my emails. And look, it's here. 1+ stick vacuum from Ryobi. Can you believe it? It's not exactly cheap. But isn't that amazing? Here was I saying, come on guys, do this. You know how to switch over, battery things better than anybody else, or as well as anybody else. And I'm happy because I've got them all. My God, this is weird. Anyway, there it is. That's my Friday afternoon quick whiz around to make the house presentable for the weekend. And I have got that fly screen to put up. I'm going to try and do that now. We'll see. I might leave it till tomorrow. We'll see. I've got to go out in a minute. So that's me for the day. I hope that you enjoyed seeing me trying to keep my apartment clean, even when I don't spend much time here at the moment. And if you would like to follow along in these October vlogs, please subscribe, give me a like, hit that notification bell, because otherwise YouTube will not tell you when there's been an upload. They just don't these days, so hit the notification bell, that's important. And yeah, I hope that whatever you're doing, you're having a lovely day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.